Good morning friends, I am Yashwant. In this video we will learn that how to manage sheet after extraction from Google Data Extractor. You can see this is the raw sheet. We will have if we extract anything from Google Extractor, the sheet comes in this format: business name, addresses, phone number, rating, this one. Okay, and we want this sheet to convert in a proper manner. Like first of all, we want to remove this blank areas where the number is not there. Okay, so first of all we need to remove these blank areas. We are remove this blank area because we want only WhatsApp number from this sheet. Okay, we want to keep only WhatsApp number, remaining the blank row and landline number we are going to remove from this sheet. Okay, so first of all we will remove the blank row. So removing the blank row, we need to select first complete sheet from this corner arrow. We have selected all the sheet, then we click to the data button, then filter. So the filter will be applied to all the columns. Okay, now the first process to remove blank rows, these blank rows. Okay, so if we select only blank rows and delete all the blank rows, then the filled row with number will remain there. So our purpose will be solved. So we have applied the filter here. Now we will click to the down arrow here. You can see now all the numbers selected and also blank also selected. Okay, what we will do, we will select only blank. So first we will unselect all the data, then we will select only blank, then OK. When we press OK, we will got the sheet like this. All the blank number, all the blank rows is there because we have selected only blank. So it will be easy to delete all the blank rows because there is nothing to we are selecting from there. We have not to select like this with drag button. We have to select whole row will be selected here like this, and we have to delete all the rows. Then again we will go to filter, number filter here, then select all the numbers. Now you can see there is no blank. Okay, because we have deleted all the blanks. Okay, and we have selected all the numbers, then OK. So we will got all the numbers here. Okay, so the first thing is done, we have removed all the blank. The second agenda is to remove all the landline number. So in the filter option we have, when we click on the down arrow, we get the option sort from smallest to largest. Okay, so we will click on this smallest to largest. You can see this sheet belongs to Indore MP, and Indore code tally code is 0731. So all the landline number is in the same category because we have sorted the list from the small to large. So you can find all the landline numbers in particular place, in the same place. Okay, so we can easily delete, like we have deleted blank. One more number we have seeing odd, so we can also delete this one also. This is odd number. Now all the numbers are mobile number. Okay. Then the second agenda is to add 91. Okay. It is very simple. We have to just apply formula, one single formula to add 91 before this 10 digit number. Okay. The formula is equal to CON. When you press CON, then you can see in reference concatenate. Okay, we will click on concatenate, we will double click on concatenate, sorry. Okay, that is, then we you can see here is the open bracket, then we'll write down 91 comma, not dot, this is comma, then you have to click on your this number. Okay, because we want to add 91 before this number. Okay, then bracket close, then OK. So you can see 91 is added. Then when you select this number, and you can see this is here is a point in corner. So when you take your cursor at this point, you can see the cursor turns into plus sign. Okay, when the cursor turns into plus point, you need to double click on this point. When you double click, the complete formula will be applied on the remaining rows, remaining column. Okay, so you can see every number has got 91 added. Okay, now you have to copy all this number, Control C, then you have to click at this shell, then click right click, then go to option paste special. You just click on the paste special, then you got the option value, click on the value, then OK. So you can see the value of this number same is pasted. Now you can see here is the drop down. So when you click on the drop down, you will get convert to number. So you have to press this button, convert to number. Okay, then you can click outside. Okay, there is a decimal place. We need to remove this decimal place, like +1 1. So to removing the decimal place, this is the third method. We have to select the column from the top, then right click, then format cell, then number, then decimal place 0, then OK. Now the sheet has done. This is the complete process to manage Google extracted data. We can save this.